breakfast on the morning side. And I'm hungry. Let's do some green eggs. No ham. La 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 la. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. One at a time. These greens are not that dirty, y'all. They're actually pretty clean. A little bit of olive oil. Should have let it heat up a little bit more, but anyway. A little bit of red onion. Whip them up. Garlic salt with parsley, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Find out what it means to me. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Take care of TCB. That's about it for me, y'all. This how I like my eggs, nice and soft, not too runny and not snotty. You feel me? Little parmesan. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord, I want to thank you. It's the different textures for me. It's that freshness for me, too. Y'all try this recipe out. Very simple. And then, look. Got my doggone clearly Canadian, my favorite. This stuff for the queens, you feel me? A queen's breakfast. I'm missing some bread or some toast or something. But I got a little piece of bread, a little piece of hamburger bun.